Foča is a tourist university and healthcare center in the southeast Bosnia and Herzegovina in the entity of the Republic of Srpska. This vivid town with 20,000 inhabitants lies on two mountain rivers at the confluence of the Drina and Čehotina. It's located 80 kilometers away from Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, 170 kilometers away from Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic, and it's 340 kilometers away from Belgrade, the capital of the Republic of Serbia and the most significant center in this part of Europe. Foča is recognizable by its rich forest resources, crystal clear rivers, impressive canyons, and attractive mountain peaks. Therefore, wood processing and tourism make the core of its development. Rafting on the Tara River, the third of Europe, through the longest canyon in Europe and the second in the world, right behind the Grand Canyon in the United States, and the beautiful mountains of Sutjeska National Park, along with glacier lakes and Peručica, one of the few left rainforests in Europe, are great attractions for tourists from all over the world. The healthcare in Foča has a long and rich tradition. The first hospital was founded in 1896, and the current hospital, the successor to the Second World War military hospital, has been there since 1858. It was transformed into the clinical center in 1993, becoming a teaching base of the Faculty of Medicine, the University of East Sarajevo, and in 2007 it was named the University Hospital Foča. More than 10,000 patients a year are treated in this renowned institution, which is among the leading ones in Bosnia and Herzegovina in many ways. It is the first hospital which received ISO 9001 acknowledgement for providing secondary and tertiary health care. Establishment of the Faculty of Medicine Foča in 1993 induced faster development of the hospital. Nowadays, it is a modern university center where more than 200 patients, which is the number of available beds, meet 1,500 students, more than 200 medical doctors and university professors, and 400 health professionals every day. A complex of 5 pavilions and the sixth one, the building of the Faculty of Medicine, is situated in a pleasant natural environment on the right bank of the Drina, 2 kilometers away from the center of Foča. All hospital departments recently renovated are available for students, and reconstruction and equipment modernization are being done, having at its disposal 8 million euros, which is the largest investment since the hospital was founded. The University Hospital Foča is recognizable by its extraordinary surgeons, and it has long since mastered all types of day surgery. Therefore, the number of patients coming from outside its catchment area is increasing as well. All organizational units of the hospital are ready from a professional and material technical point of view to respond to all demands of modern medicine. Highly sensitive methods are applied in this hospital, which are in possession of only few laboratories in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and every year the range of demanding procedures is widened. Foča is an example of a small place that succeeded in making a serious and prestigious university community consisting of the Faculty of Medicine and the Faculty of Orthodox Theology, which are a part of the Public University of East Sarajevo and have about 2,000 students altogether. For 26 years, the Faculty of Medicine Foča has grown into a respectable teaching institution, and its diploma is highly esteemed. The doctors who have acquired knowledge here have improved the healthcare in Bosnia and Herzegovina, as well as in the surrounding countries, Europe, and in the world, which is the greatest acknowledgement for the faculty. This is the first higher education institution in Bosnia and Herzegovina that has received external accreditation, and it is important to emphasize that it has also educated a large number of its own scientific and medical staff. The classes are organized into 4 study programs: medicine, dentistry, special education and rehabilitation, and nursing. The study programs in medicine and dentistry last 6 years, and both the study programs in special education and rehabilitation and in nursing last 4 years. Postgraduate studies, fundamental of medical research, were launched in 2000, and the last generation of postgraduate students was enrolled in 2008 when, due to legal changes and the fact that 6-year medical and dental studies were conceptualized as integrating the first and the second cycle of studies, the need for this type of knowledge upgrading has ceased. In 2014, the faculty licensed the study program of the third cycle, biomedical research, for a period of 3 years, and the following year the first postgraduate students were enrolled. For the study programs in nursing and special education and rehabilitation, apart from the first, the second study cycle is licensed as well. The building of the Faculty of Medicine, measuring about 5,000 square meters, is adequately equipped to carry out a modern teaching process. All amphitheaters and classrooms have computers and video projectors. The faculty has 2 air-conditioned amphitheaters with sound system, classrooms, a center, research laboratory, laboratories for histology, pathology, chemistry and biochemistry, anatomical dissecting room, clinical skills laboratory with video system that can be used to monitor exercises from a remote location, 2 computer centers with 42 computers and continuous internet access, preclinical department, dean's office, student organization, administration. It's one of the few medical faculties in the countries of the region, if not the only one, whose anatomical room has a plastinated body for student exercises. The library of the Faculty of Medicine has more than 10,000 library units and internet access to scientific databases in biomedical sciences.
Hi, my name is Stefan, and I'm a third-year med student here at Medical College in Foča. Here, you will have an amazing experience, as well as adequate surrounding for studying and expanding your knowledge. Our students will welcome you with open arms, and we hope that you will find your stay here pleasant.
People at the Faculty of Medicine in Foča are dedicated to development of science and the search for new medical solutions for the purpose of improving healthcare system and health of the population. Our motto is that investing in young researchers shapes our future. Therefore, we pay special attention to scientific research, which is a highly important segment of teaching process. The Center for Biomedical Sciences operates as a part of the faculty, and it is the only one of this kind in the Republic of Srpska. There are 3 laboratories within the center: the Laboratory for Immunology and Cell Biology, Laboratory for Molecular Genetic, and Laboratory for Clinical Pharmacology.
My name is Bojan Joksimovic. I am a medical doctor, assistant to a professor at Department of Pathological Physiology at Medical Faculty in Foča, University of East Sarajevo. I work also in Department of Pediatrics. I am final year of resident in Pediatrics and final year of PhD studies at our faculty. I am originally from Montenegro, but I started my studies here at Foča. And when I finished my faculty, I started to work here at our faculty. I am also coordinator of our Center for Biomedical Sciences and our Laboratory for Immunology and Biology of Cell, where we do our researches. And I finished my PhD thesis here at our center. And our faculty helps us with our regions and laboratory apparature and everything, so that we can finish our PhD thesis at our faculty, at our center.
There is a dormitory with 340 places near the faculty, and it is the most modern facility of this kind in the Republic of Srpska. If you choose to study at this faculty, you will certainly obtain high-quality knowledge and an opportunity to master the most important skills in the area of your choice, which will mean opening the door to a profession you prefer.